Nagit na akong basa.
Kalbat-kalbat meron.
Ay, patay ka pa, minulang ka ba? Kenika! Joy.
Tagalog ka, pag sa YouTube yan.
You are called to labor in...
Naka-open na. Nagsimula na.
You are called to labor in...
Nahulog pa. Basta naging harap niya, may
Sabi
sasalit
ka sa The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, April 16, 2013. Elder Elvin Jerome Austria Laceda.
Haba.
You are
Dear
called...
Elder Laceda,
Okay.
you are called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, and you are hereby
Cagayan de Oro.
assigned to labor in Cagayan de Oro Mission. Yes.
Wow.
I confirm that's true.
You should report to the Missionary Training Center on June 7, 2013.
Wow.
You will preach the gospel in the Cebuano language.
Cebuano, Cebuano.
Yes. You have been recommended as one worthy to represent the Lord as a minister of the restored gospel. You will be an official representative of the church. As such, you will be expected to maintain the highest standards of conduct and appearance by keeping the commandments, living mission rules, and following the counsel of your mission president. As you devote your time and attention to serving the Lord, leaving behind all other personal affairs, the Lord will bless you with increased knowledge and testimony of the restoration and of the truth of the gospel of Jesus Christ. The Lord will reward you for the goodness of your life, greater blessings and more happiness than you have yet experienced with you as you humbly and prayerfully serve the Lord in this labor. Children, you will be set apart as a missionary by your mission president and sincerely, President Thomas S.
Mindanao.
Data po. Kahit po pamalas yung kanyon.
Kanya, this is my map.
Wata muli yan. Lawen me.
Manaba.
Marunong ka na mag-Cebuano.
Kinendara lang si Buwana po.
You are called to labor in...
Mauna yan kaya. Cagayan de Oro.
Kaya mag-report ng PC, Jero.
June 7.
Lapit na.
Punta ka itong buwal ka, 15. Ayali, plus 12.
Marami ko.
12 days na lang mo tayo.
12 Mindanao. 12 days na lang. Mindanao.
Ano yung kami?
12 days na lang. Hindi na, dati diba 19?
Hindi na 19.
Hindi na 12 na lang, no? Sandali na lang.
Ang tsukar rin ang ating na po.
Betik manimbayo yan eh.
Ay, Jerome. Ay, ano ka?
Bayo eh.